Hi guys, ironically this is the spot where it all happened, and I got with me the drone. I just received it and I carried all the way here just to do the unboxing and testing right away in the field. And for those that don't know the story behind this is what happened. Testing the FPV mode with DJI Mini 2, I sadly crashed on that pole there, and afterwards I tried to fix it. I couldn't manage to do that. Then I had to send it to DJI. I sent it to DJI, got it fixed for 140 euros. It was supposed to get fixed actually. So they sent it back to me. I done the test and it was drifting. After I tried fixing the drifting problem, I couldn't do that either. So I had to send back my drone for the second time, and all that process and procedure, I will tell that at the end what I done exactly, so maybe you can follow up and do the same if they send back your drone and has problem. I will set up my camera and time lapse the procedure of me unboxing and calibrating the drone, and if any issues come along the way, I will stop and address them. So let's begin. On this propeller there's a bit of scratch or something. After 20 minutes of updating everything, going through all of the calibration and settings, and by the way, they put a new firmware 1.4, so it's a bit confusing with the settings. I got it working now with the propellers. It sounds okay so far, so let's give it the first flight and see if they actually fix it. So now there is like zero wind now. So the hovering test failed. 3, 2, 1, let's go. It should have gone straight and then come to the same spot, but we'll find out if this is the case. I can see from here it's not going straight. I can see it from here, it's not going straight. Look, as soon as I release, it goes left. But does it seem that it's fixed? I don't think so. I don't think so. Of course I don't think so. Come on DJI, I have to send it back for the third time. I will show you around and see that there is a little wind, so look at the trees. Look. Do you see enough wind so the drone can go like this? No. Imagine if it was high winds or something, what will happen to the drone? Guys, this is the next day since I received my DJI Mini 2, and also I changed last night the propellers, so I will give it another go and see if it actually got fixed, because there was a scratch when I received my drone. So this is what I'm doing. I calibrate again everything as normal. I have it ready to set off and see how it goes. There is a bit wind, look. But that shouldn't affect the drone, because I already tested it before I crashed and I know they can handle the wind. But after I did crash and I sent it to fix them, they always comes with problem. This is the third time that I will be sending the drone, but let's check it out and see. So the hovering test, keeps going left this time. Look. And it can't be normal. Come on. So now, I will give it a quick test going forward. Actually, I will put the cross to the lamp just to test the accuracy. Okay, now I think we got it in the cross, so let's give it a go. Just forward. That's definitely not right. Where is it? Let's give it one more time. I will go just straight forward now. It doesn't stay still. Look. So we go forward and see. Now we go backwards. Where is it? So see? So it's definitely something wrong. If you guys know anything that I don't know, let me know. I did calibrate everything, especially the controller, and I did change the propeller that was scratched. There is no bent propeller. I got the update 1.4, the new one. So this shouldn't be doing it. There's something wrong with the drone. So guys, I'm done testing this drone, and there is a problem. I cannot ignore the problem. I done yesterday the unboxing and testing. It had problem. I done at night. It had problem. Then I changed the propellers, which I will put that video later on. And I done the testing today. Still has problem. So definitely I need to send it back for the third time. I don't know guys what you think, what you would do. Would you keep it? Would you send it? Maybe for you it's not a big deal having your drone drifting, but for me it is. And as you saw from that FPV mode of the video, you saw how it passes through me. It because it was accurate. I had it next to me, I flew, and then I can fly back. With this drone, if I do that, it will hit my head. So for me it plays a big role. If I pay for something, I need to get it fixed. So that's it for the video. I will tell you now how to send your drone back if it has problem after you receive it. So what I will do is I will open a case again, and then I will wait for a shipping label. When I receive that shipping label in my emails, I will print the 3 invoices and I will put it on the left of the box, and then the label I will put it on the top. You don't need to cover the barcode, or you don't need to put too much tape around the invoices. So after you've done that, you take it to your UPS access point, and from there it will not cost you anything. They will send it and they will receive it the next day. It's really fast. They receive it the next day. They will take maybe 2-3 days until they quote and see if they found the problem, and after that they will ship it back after another 2 days. So it takes 1 week using the UPS Express. If you want to send it with your own postage, it will take a little bit more, but yeah, that's the procedure how to send your drone again back to DJI. So thank you for watching guys, and I will see you on my next video.